Determining the correct size for a grounding electrode conductor involves consulting Table 250.66 of the National Electrical Code. This table provides the minimum size of the grounding electrode conductor based on the size of the service entrance conductors or the equivalent area for parallel conductors. In this case, there are 11 sets of parallel conductors, each set consisting of 4 number 500 kc mil copper conductors. To determine the appropriate grounding electrode conductor size, the total circular mil area of the parallel conductors must be considered. Firstly, calculate the total circular mil area. There are 11 sets of 500 kc mil conductors, therefore the total circular mil area is 11 multiplied by 500 kc mil, which equals 5,500 kc mil. Secondly, with the total circular mil area known, refer to Table 250.66 to find the corresponding grounding electrode conductor size. Table 250.66 correlates the size of the service entrance conductors to the minimum size of the grounding electrode conductor. According to the table, for a service entrance conductor size of 500 kc mil, the grounding electrode conductor size is 1/0 AWG copper. Note that the table provides minimum sizes, and in some situations, a larger grounding electrode conductor may be required or desired, but never smaller than what the table indicates. The table specifies the minimum size based on the size of the service entrance conductors. In this situation, it is the total equivalent area of the parallel conductors. Therefore, based on Table 250.66 and the calculation of the total circular mil area of 5,500 kc mil, the minimum grounding electrode conductor size is 1/0 AWG copper. In summary, the calculation involves determining the total circular mil area of the parallel conductors, which in this case is 5,500 kc mil. Then, using Table 250.66, find the corresponding minimum size of the grounding electrode conductor, which for 500 kc mil is 1/0 AWG copper. This ensures compliance with the National Electrical Code and proper grounding of the electrical system. This is a grounding electrode conductor, not an equipment grounding conductor. The equipment grounding conductor is sized per 250.122. Be sure not to confuse the two.